Today in this video we are going to discuss the methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes are also known as alkyl halides. General representation I have written here Rx. We can prepare alkyl halides from alcohols, from alkanes by free radical halogenation and from alkenes. In this video we will mainly focus on the preparation of Rx, that is alkyl halides, from alcohols. One thing I want to mention here, that whatever methods we are going to discuss here, alcohols से जो alkyl halides के जितने भी methods हम discuss कर रहे हैं, by these methods we can't prepare aryl halides. We can prepare only alkyl halides. So this is the first method, ROH plus HCl in presence of zinc chloride. It is acting as a catalyst here. We are getting RCl. In place of Rx we are writing here RCl because here we are taking HCl, and the side product is water. You can see easily. Alcohol, it may be 1 degree, it may be 2 degree, it may be 3 degree. 1 degree and 2 degree alcohols, when reacts with these halogen acids, they require this catalyst zinc chloride, but the 3 degree alcohol does not require this catalyst. In this reaction, when the alcohols are reacting with halogen acids, the reactivity of alcohols is, for this particular reaction I am telling, 3 degree, then 2 degree and 1 degree. This is the reactivity towards halogen acids. Second method, ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4 gives RBr plus NaHSO4 plus water. Then in the third and fourth methods, the alcohols reacting with phosphorus trihalides and phosphorus pentahalides. Again we are getting the main product alkyl halide. When it is with phosphorus trihalide, here it is H3PO3 as a side product. While in case of PCl5 the side products are POCl3 and HCl. Another preparation for alkyl halide, when we treat alcohols with red phosphorus with X2 यहाँ लिखा है, it may be Br2, it may be I2. In this method, the reaction of red phosphorus with bromine will generate PbR3, and reaction of red phosphorus with I2 will create Pi3, and the product is again alkyl halide. The last preparation is when ROH reacts with SOCl2. SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. It forms RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. This particular method, when ROH is reacting with SOCl2, is preferred to prepare RCl or Rx, because by this particular method, I am talking about this method ROH plus SOCl2, we are giving preference to this method because by this method we are getting pure alkyl halides, because the side products SO2 as well as HCl both are in gaseous forms. These are gaseous forms, so the side products are escapable. So when these gases will escape, we will get pure alkyl halide. So this reaction is very important when alcohols reacts with SOCl2. So this is all about the preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. Now when we are preparing these alkyl halides, here in your syllabus there is one or two important property of alkyl halide which we will discuss here only. अभी हमने ROH से RX प्रिपेयर किया है. Now this RX in presence of this RX, 2 molecules यहाँ लिए हैं, in presence of dry ether reacts with sodium. This is a Wurtz reaction to form RR. Here twice NaX will be the side product. By this particular reaction, Wurtz reaction, we can convert a lower alkane into higher alkane. Like this is hydrocarbon RH plus X2, RX plus HX. So this RX we are getting by alcohols also. This RX we are getting by hydrocarbons also, where one H is getting replaced by halogen. The another important property of alkyl halides, reaction with magnesium in presence of dry ether to give RMgX. This is an important organometallic compound, and this particular organometallic compound is known as Grignard reagent. I repeat, initially we have prepared RX from ROH by these methods. Then this RX reacts with Na in presence of dry ether to form higher alkanes. This is Wurtz reaction. This RX can be used in the preparation of Grignard reagent, that is RMgX. This Grignard reagent is highly reactive and react with any source of proton. Source of proton, it may be water, it may be alcohol, it may be any amine. Any species which is providing H positive, that is known as source of proton. So if RMgX, this Grignard reagent, reacts with any source of proton, for example, RMgX, here it is reacting with water to form alkane. Main product is alkane, RH. RX converted into Grignard reagent. So here if we have to form a Grignard reagent, then dry ether is required, because no moisture should be present here. As I told you that if moisture is present, then RMgX immediately reacts with water molecules to form RH. So instead of forming Grignard reagent, or instead of getting Grignard reagent, we will be getting alkane. Thank you.